Welcome back to SK Hobbies AZ, and I am Stitch, and today we're going to unbox the new addition to the channel. Wait for it. The Losi LMT Son of a Digger. Stay tuned. All right, let's see if we can do this Kevin Talbot style. So he just kind of like banged it, right? Why doesn't it come out of the box? Oh, there it is. Look at that. Let's see here. Take that plastic off. We don't need that on here anymore. Ooh. Now let me adjust this camera down a little bit. All right. So there it is. The Son of a Digger. So this is pretty cool. It's got a hinged back here. And this guy right here, there's right underneath, and if you guys can see it, right here, there's body clips. So you just got to pull those two body clips out. And then on each side, right here, is two more body clips, one on each side. So if we can get a hold of that. There's 3. And 4. So now we can open it up. Look at that. So this is the ready to run kit. So it comes with the Spectrum 130 amp ESC, which is a 2 to 3S. It comes with the 3150 Spectrum Firma. It's actually the 31 kV Spectrum Firma brushless motor, and it's got a 15 kg per centimeter all metal gear steering servo right here. Oil-filled shocks, cool battery tray with a, it's got this rubber battery strap. That kind of locks into place for the battery. The actual battery that we're going to run in this is the Ovonics. It's a 6500 mAh battery pack, which fits in there. See, it fits in there pretty good. So we're going to get that in there. I'm going to change out the connectors to make that work. But this is cool. This is going to be the new addition to my channel. We're going to do some upgrades on it down the road, but primarily right now we're going to run it stock. I'm going to have it out at our next AZRC Bashers. It does have actual lights in it, headlights. So we'll get that plugged in and ready to go. Let's see, what else does it come with? It does come with the Spectrum's DX3 controller, which takes 4 AA batteries. I'm not going to use this on it. I'm going to actually connect this up to my DX5C, so I'll get that connected up. What else comes in the kit is it does come with your first set of batteries for it. It comes with a spare battery strap, so you got a spare strap in case you break the other one. Comes with a free cool brand swag. Just register your new product at Horizon. So I don't know. I'll check it out and I'll register it and see what happens. It also comes with body posts. So you can take this shell off if you don't like the hinged shell and you want all this extra weight off of there. You can mount this up and actually put other bodies on, which we are going to check out about different bodies. So we'll do that. And it comes with some mounting hardware for it. And then it comes with the manual. So it's got a manual. It has a breakdown of all of the parts. See if you guys can't really see that too well with the light up there. But there you go. So it's got a breakdown in several different languages, it looks like. It's got a complete breakdown of the truck and how to disassemble it and the chassis and everything. So it's pretty cool. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing before I tear into this. And you guys can't see me. Let's bring you guys back up here where you can see my beautiful. There you go. Now you got me back. So yeah, this is going to be my new basher. I'm going to, I'm taking a different route with my channel. I'm not really doing the whole, super send it thing anymore. I'm not into the super speed, although we might get into it later on. But I wanted to break into the true monster truck era. So we've got, the king of them all when it comes to monster trucks, and the LMT. So we're going to do some upgrades on it. And I'll give you guys some tips and tricks down the road on some of the things to look out for and what to change out. And we'll go from there. But don't forget to like, subscribe, and bash that bell. I'm Stitch, SK Hobbies AZ, and I'm out.